Souptember is among us. Happy September, y'all. In this video, I'm sharing 2 of my favorite soup recipes you don't want to miss. Today I'm going to share a couple of my favorite soup recipes that are perfect for the fall season. And even though it's technically still summer, come on, let's face it, once Labor Day comes, it's really fall. This first recipe is a chicken and rice soup recipe that I love to make throughout the fall and winter seasons. I also like to serve them up with a side of tostones. Tostones is a double fried plantain chip that it's perfect for soup, stews, or any other typical Puerto Rican dish. Fall is definitely one of my favorite seasons, and one of the reasons is because of the cooking. I love to bake, I love to cook during this time of year. It is where the comfort food really hits our table, and so I love sharing these types of recipes. And I hope that you like them too. So make sure to take this moment to subscribe, to like, and hit that notification bell, as well as leave a comment. I would love to hear what is your favorite season and what do you like to make during the fall season. So look at how delicious this soup turned out. I served it up, and now let's move on to my second favorite soup that I love to make during this time, which is chicken tortilla soup. Chicken tortilla soup, for me, in my opinion, is one of the most simplest soups to make, and it is so packed with flavor. And if you throw in a little bit of heat in it, such as like a chili powder or a little bit of cayenne, to kind of just have that little bit of heat, it will most definitely keep you warm, and it will open you up if you are stuffed up, especially during the fall season where the weather is transitioning, and it is the time of year where people begin to get a cold or flu. I also consider the chicken tortilla soup to be a hearty soup because it's packed with the protein and veggies and the grains, and it is just so filling, and I just love this soup. I really do. Easy to make, recipes easy to follow, definitely going to be a family favorite in your home the way that it is in ours. What are your favorite Souptember recipes that are perfect for the fall months? Make sure to upload your video and tag me on it at the Cooking Chronicles with Ingrid so I can check out your video. Let me know which one of these recipes is your favorite by leaving a comment down below. Again, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. You're going to find all different types of yummy recipes here on my channel that is fitting for any type of occasion and any season. So it's time to plate up this delicious soup. I'm gonna go ahead and add in some nachos to this for that tortilla effect, some Mexican crema, cilantro, lemon juice, and some avocado if you have some on hand. Those are just optional toppings, and I'm ready to serve them up. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Until the next video, guys. Bye.